morning me I do a quick and easy kale. I'm just saute it with some baby portobello mushrooms, and you know, just getting a little breakfast idea together in my head. I'm gonna use some onions, some bell peppers. Yeah, nothing big, nothing over the top, but just a nice little breakfast idea. All right, some greens with some baby bella mushrooms. Hey, kick off the thing. Remember me tell you. And this mushroom is gonna be the meat substitute. So we just cut it up now, and then we go use it like the meat. Normally I use like some saltfish or so, and instead of the saltfish I use the mushroom. So you have to see how I do it like meat substitute, right? Alright. Additional things some of the additional things that I have is onion, I have some bell peppers and a small zucchini, about 4 cloves of garlic right here, and a little bit of ginger, and I'm using my regular powdered seasoning, garam masala, and my other stuff, and I'm touching up with a little bit of this Thai green curry sauce. Yeah, Journey to Thailand. I'm just touching it with it, not too much, and I'm gonna put my green seasoning as well. So let's start cooking now. And the first thing I'm gonna start with is my coconut oil cooking spray. Now I know many people won't use that, but I don't want too much oil in the pot, so you just want to spray the pot with some of your cooking spray, and then you add your mushroom. And you just make this, you can start build on this now, add flavors to this now. And I'm just gonna start building on flavors, because again, this is the meat substitute. Yeah, this is my garam masala, and I'm gonna use maybe about a tablespoon of garam masala. I don't want to add too much other stuff to the pot. Let me add some salt so we can get some of the moisture out. And the idea behind this is you want to make this be as dry as possible. The whole kitchen is mashed down. You see, if you put too much oil in this, it's going to wet in there. It's going to get soggy. And you don't want that. You just want it nice and toasted, yeah? I'm going to put a little Jody's Kitchen.
What is that?
Jody's Kitchen is a herb blend with, let me show you. See there?
Dill and stuff?
Yeah. I'm gonna have the link to where you can get some of these ingredients to buy in the description box. So if you see something where you like, check the description box. I'm gonna add a little ground coriander. Again, I'm building on flavors, guys, building on flavors. Putting a little Old Bay, because again, you want this to almost taste like meat or like fish. Yeah.
What's up with that method?
Eh?
What's up with that method?
The method that I'm using now? What do you mean?
The stirring method where you're flipping the pot.
Come now and not the pot. Yeah, see how the mushroom them come up nice, you know. And you see how it absorb all the oil. That's what mushroom do. absorb all the... Alright. So now we're ready to build our real dish now. I'm gonna add some coconut oil, about a tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil. I'm gonna add my garlic and I'm gonna add my ginger. It has smell up already.
How much mushroom you use?
About 2 cups of mushroom. Wow. It smells so good, guys. You would not believe. It smells so very, very...
It look like meat for real.
It look like meat.
Like cut up sausage or something.
Now I'm gonna add my zucchini.
The vegan's gonna love you.
Sometimes we change it up a little bit, you know, and try it. They think we don't know meat, you understand? Make them know so we don't really have, I know, like we have meat belly. Yeah? Although I love my meat still, but so. Look at that, look at that. This is so pretty. So pretty. It is so beautiful. Yeah. And then right away I'm gonna add my onions, and that's maybe half of a medium-sized onion, guys. You add your amount of onion that you like. What's happening here is as the zucchini releases the water, the mushroom absorbs it.
And share the oil.
And share the oil. I'm gonna put some Scotch bonnet pepper, but not too much. Got the wifey afraid of the pepper. And I keep my Scotch bonnet peppers in the freezer. That way they last a little bit longer. And it also bring the heat down a little bit.
Correct.
Now I'm gonna add a heaping tablespoon of my green seasoning, and I'll put the link at the top of the page. Maybe 2 tablespoons of green seasoning.
You put the link
right up here, so where right somewhere up there, so yeah. Wow, it looks so divine. I can't wait for the tasting.
Smell divine.
That's when you use good herbs and good quality something, you see. You need something to make it something right. I give it something right, nah, that smell right. If there's something right, it not smell right.
That's so wrong.
Make sure there's something right. Just see there.
So wrong.
And then the last thing I'm gonna add now is my kale.
The last and most important.
And my bell peppers. Okay. And this has been washed and already prepped to be added.
This is dietary medicine right there. Kale or MG?
Yeah, kale good for you.
It's the best. Stop turning your back to the people.
It's not my back, it's the back of the... Alright. And then
yes.
I'm gonna put a little bit more salt, but this time I'm gonna put some Larry's.
Yes. Looks so good.
Some people are gonna say too much salt. Please,
Green is life. Yes.
What else may I have in here now? Yeah, but that's about it. Make the Larry's stay a little bit.
No one think about no. Next time I'm gonna get a cupboard tour.
Put a little turmeric, a little bit of turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric is medicine too. Yeah. And remember, all of these ingredients we will try to link in the description bar so that you can also benefit from them too.
And some black pepper. And just a little bit of my Thai green.
Thai?
Yeah. My Thai green curry, not much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe about a tablespoon. And this have coconut milk and some other exotic flavors in it.
Can we see the label?
Yeah, I showed the label before.
Oh, okay. Cool. Pretty. Just have a little bit longer, baby. My life is growing stronger.
And then you just cover the pot, make it wilt. And the next time you open it up, food ready. Remember me tell you. So here is my finished plate, guys. I have my hold on, let me fix this camera. I have my kale with mushrooms right there, and my zucchini, and I have some heirloom tomatoes, and I just sprinkled a little bit of this Hawaiian black salt on top of the tomatoes. And then I have my tostones over here. Food look good, don't you like it? It tastes so good. It tastes so good. I promise you guys. You can make vegetarian food nice. You can make vegetarian food tasty. Just do your thing, you know. Just, yeah, make it happen in your neck of the woods, in your kitchen, in your house, in your family, with your friends, and everything. Alright, so once again, join me in the kitchen, Yard Belly Kitchen, Yard Belly TV. Hey, big up on yourself. Like, share, subscribe, do the thing. And check out the description box. Whole heap of links tonight. Whole heap of links. Remember, I told you.